Alright, this is this is how I got to pour it. So this is the old, I used it when I was 12, so I don't really love that one. So from the company, they build these pans or pots, something like that. So let's see how I'm gonna cook it. There we go. Once I do, I'm gonna pour in the pot right here. So let's see. Yeah. And forgot. Sorry guys. I'm gonna put my olive right here. So here you go. Open this up. There you go. Now I can pour it in. Man, it's kind of weird to pour it in, man. And then, once I do, I'm gonna pour all those fries I have it, just in case, so. Yep. Those potato fries, so I'm gonna cook them now, so. And yep, just in case, so. And here you go. And okay, once I do, I'm gonna pour these up in the pot. I don't want to do this. There you go. And for everything. I'll trim up the other potatoes later, so in fact. And if I put it full or but let's see, I gotta get all my things here first. I need to get my kitchen tools, I guess, so let's see if I can find it. If I don't find it, then I'm done for anyway, so. I'm gonna use this next. Okay, that took a while, so sorry guys. Alright. I'm gonna use this tool for now, a spoon. Love spoons. And once I do it here, so yep, I had it. Now let me cover these potatoes out here. Okay, so here you go. I don't know if you can see this, but there you go. So yep. And oh yeah, see all my potatoes just in case, so Alright. So once I had to cook those potatoes just in case, so yep. Alright, I'm gonna store these potatoes and just in case, so yep. Sorry I don't have a phone guys, but phone broke, but no one helps yet, but I had to work on it. Angry before I hit my I have a fucking argument with my family, but that's why I broke a phone and stuff happens. And let's see, what's it do here? There you go. I need to put more oil for this, so just in case. I'm gonna start these up. Make it flat for the potato stuff, and yep, there you had it. Now let's see if I'm gonna turn that thing on. I have time, and yep. Alright, I got those stuff with potatoes out, and voila. So, yep. And now, I'm gonna burn this up, wait until it heats up, rise up, even more temperature for this now. I'll make a number 6 with a stove oven, but I'll give it time. So once I wait, I'm gonna resume where we're cooking right now. So the last time I said earlier about this one I picked up already, so yep, that's the one. So guys, so and now I'm gonna cook the rest of the potatoes. Alright, I'll choose, let's see, let's see, this potato for now, so, oh, just in case for, yep. Sorry guys, but so, well, anyway, I had to cook this potato, so, yep, that my potato mine, so, yep, just in case. And then, yeah, sorry guys, so anyway, my potato mine, so, alright, oh, yeah, sorry about the rotation and stuff, but, yep, okay. I'm gonna chop these potatoes just in case, so sorry about that, guys. There you go. All set. And let's see. Time left. There you go. You see this right now, so just in case. There you go. Alright. And now let's see.